For Cherriuki's Hallow Witch in size 30 by 43 cm, we have old gold crystals or old gold diamonds for the moon. Aside from that, we also have prism pearls for the dark areas on her dress, lightning diamonds for the highlights on her hair. We also have lime for the highlights of her dress, and in the background, electric diamonds for the tiny stars in the sky, and also star gems for the bigger stars in the sky behind her. So this is a very rough special treatment where we show you the example of what it could look like, and it's still up to you how and where exactly you will place your beads and your gems. Most of them would be just to sprinkle it in those areas that we've mentioned, but feel free to experiment and enjoy.